Well, here we are, a new screencast. This one is about prepositions. And so our quick definition for prepositions is that it is a word that shows the relationship between a noun or pronoun and other words in a sentence. And so with this example, Marcus is sitting under a tree. What is the preposition in the sentence? There is one preposition. If you chose under, you would be correct. Why is under a preposition? Because it is expressing the relationship between Marcus and the tree. Under is showing that Marcus is located under a tree. So that is the relationship it is expressing. And in Latin, this sentence will be Marcus sub arbora sedet. And the preposition in Latin is sub, and the word for tree is arbora. So a preposition can show this relationship between words in the sentence in these two ways, where and when. And so with this example, Marcus is sitting under the tree. The preposition is under and is expressing where Marcus is sitting. The relationship is between Marcus and the tree. He happens to be sitting under it, so it's expressing where. And since you're all Latin scholars, this sentence in Latin would be Marcus sub arbora sedet. And in Latin, sub is the preposition, and arbora is the object of the preposition. In this next example, after dinner, Cornelius will read a story. The preposition is after. After dinner is when he will read the story. It expresses the time relationship between Cornelius and dinner. And I put the Latin sentence there for your edification also. With each of these examples, the preposition is in a phrase. This is called a prepositional phrase. It starts with a preposition and it ends with a noun or pronoun. And so with the example, Marcus is sitting under a tree, we already saw that under is a preposition, and tree will be the object of the preposition, so that this, under a tree, is a prepositional phrase. So as I said, under is the preposition, and tree is called the object of the preposition. And altogether, they make up a prepositional phrase. And in Latin, the word, this particular prepositional phrase, under a tree, will be sub arbora. And it is good to know that in Latin, prepositions take a particular case. In this case, sub takes the ablative case. And that's why the object of the preposition arbora is in the ablative case. In English, however, we say that the object of the preposition, tree in this case, is in the objective case. And here's a pretty good list of prepositions for you to learn at some point. You may want to memorize it according to the tune of Yankee Doodle Dandy. So as I said before, in prepositional phrases, you have the preposition and then the object of the preposition. And in English, we say that the object of the preposition is in the objective case, which of course means in this prepositional phrase that tree is in the objective case. The word tree doesn't change at all because of being a prepositional, an object of the preposition and being in the objective case. However, this prepositional phrase, between he and I, is incorrect. He and I are the objects of the preposition between, and so they must be in the objective case. So the objective case for he is him, and the objective case for I is me. So the correct phrase would be between him and me.